It was I think 2005 when we went to US, and there was one very interesting event happened. My elder one Dhruv, he participated in one spelling bee competition, and he was almost 7 or 8 years by then, and around 15 students were participating in spelling bee, and he was not at all serious about spelling bee. The way he was kind of answering all the spelling, he was just laughing and answering. Whenever he was being asked about any spelling, he just used to enjoy that entire spelling bee competition. And I was more serious and he was completely like opposite. And all the parents were watching this show, and they were saying that look at the father and look at the son. Out of those 15 students, now only 2 remained, and one of them was my son Dhruv. Okay. Now I became even more more serious and more tensed, and in fact it became other way around. He became more joyous and more non-serious. He became more naughty, and I was saying that this is the last leg, and what is this guy doing? And now at that age, so difficult to explain them anything, right? So then finally I gave up. I said, do whatever that you want to do. And then what, there was a tie between those two last, student, and then they have been given a last spelling to spell, and to my surprise, Dhruv, answered it correctly, and there was a joy. Everyone was so happy. They came to me, they congratulated me, they came to Dhruv, and he was like, what is this? What is a big deal about this? He was fully enjoying that competition. It's like nothing for him, and with that, in like 2011 we came back to India, okay, and I don't know whether it was a cultural shock or because whatever reason, but then he was not that joyful. He was not enjoying his life to that fullest, because I remember those events which I spent with my son in US. He was fully like joyful and enjoying his life like anything. He was always happy. But after coming back to India, I found that there was something missing. He is not the same Dhruv. So then I tried couple of classes, like I kept him in a summer camp, I kept him in different competitions, different classes. It worked for some time, but it didn't get persisted. Okay, it was having some temporary impact. So then I decided that I think I need something which is very subtle, where because lecturing, I know lecturing doesn't work, that I was sure of. So I was looking for something which is very subtle, and fortunately, to my surprise, I heard about this program called as Brighter Mind, and Brighter Mind team told me that this is a program. They explained me the format of the program and some of the brain activities and lot of other things, and somehow I got convinced that I think this is something which will definitely work for him, because this is subtle. There is no lecturing, it's all activity based, experience based program. Okay, and to my surprise, it literally worked. I was surprised, and the way it worked is, it's not like it worked like in couple of days. It took few months, but I can see my son coming back to those track where he is enjoying his life to the fullest. And not only that, the other change which came to my son Dhruv is that he used to take a lot of stress while studying. Okay, he used to score good in his academic and all, but he used to take a lot of stress. But what I observed is, after completing this program, he used to like score so well without putting lot of effort. So I would say effortlessly he used to crack his exams, and one of the top, the prestigious exam of IIT exam that he cracked. Okay, and it was such a proud moment for me and my wife. So I think lately when I was thinking about it, I would give all this credit to Brighter Mind, because it literally worked in such a subtle way that he effortlessly cracked this prestigious exam called as IIT Advanced, which is such a joyful moment for us, our family, and everyone, all our friends. So I would say thank you so much, Brighter Mind, for bringing such a drastic change in my son. Thank you so much.